welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you all my quick and easy everyday makeup routine. You guys really liked when I did this back in the fall, so I have an updated one for you guys. Some of the products that I use on a daily basis are still in my rotation, but I've added in some new favorites that I love to use every single day. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Starting out, I'm going to use my Covergirl Clean Matte BB Cream, and I'm going to apply that using my silicone sponge. And then I'm just going to blend it out using my e.l.f. blending brush. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes to conceal my dark circles. And then I'm going to blend that out using my oval concealer brush from my makeup brush set. Now I'm going to set everything in place using my e.l.f. pressed powder, and I'm just going to apply that using my unicorn powder brush. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the e.l.f. Tantalizing Taupe Eyeshadow Quad, and I'm going to use the bottom shade, and I'm just going to use a tiny little angled brush to fill them in. I'll have a video down below of me doing like my full everyday eyebrow routine if you guys really want to know in detail about what I do for my brows. So I'll have that video linked down below, as well as all of the products that I use in this video down below in the description box as well. Now I'm just going to spoolie out my brows. Now I'm going to set everything in place using the cream from the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. This is just going to help lock everything in place and make sure that the powder stays in place on my brows, as well as making sure that my brows keep their shape all day long. And then I'm just going to spoolie them out. Now I'm going to use 2 coats of my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras ever at the drugstore. This is a little bit of a more drier formula though, so it does dry up pretty quickly. But other than that, I really do like it. It gives you an amazing length, and it really just separates your lashes. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Total Face Palette, and I'm just going to use the highlighter in this palette, and to apply that I'm going to use my e.l.f. highlighting brush. I love this highlighter because it's so pretty and so subtle for every day. It just really gives your skin a natural looking glow to it. Now to finish everything off, I'm just going to add my Essence Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Love Me. Alright you guys, that was my quick and easy everyday makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one very, very soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.